Welcome back to Joe and Di's Allotment channel. I'm Joe.
And I'm Di.
And Di's behind the camera. So what we're doing today is we're harvesting our gooseberry crop. We've got 4 gooseberry bushes. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 pallets. Sort of 8 or 9 pallets there already. So yeah, I mean there's only a short window to harvest, sort of 2 to 4 week period. And what we do is we harvest them, and we'll show you in the coming weeks how we sort of store or use. Yeah, so we harvested near enough 6 kilograms of gooseberries. So whatever recipe you're making, the first step would be to top and towel the gooseberries, which simply means just taking off the little sort of top and the tail, basically. That's what it means. So it's a little growthy bit and a little tail at the bottom. So it's just a matter of removing those, and then give them a good wash. And then they're ready for sort of using whichever recipe you want to use them in. Gooseberries are good to freeze as well. And after you've sort of top toweled them and washed them, if you dry them thoroughly, you can put them on a tray and dry them, freeze them separately. And once they're sort of separately frozen, you can put them into a bag, and they can last up to a couple of years in the freezer. They last really a long time in the freezer. And then you can use them whenever you want to sort of make something with them. Jam or a fall or whatever you want to make with them, basically. So yeah, the first step is to top and towel them and give them a thorough wash. Yeah, so we've got 380 grams of top toweled and washed gooseberries, and what we're going to make is a gooseberry and custard fall. We've been making so much rhubarb fall recently, I've got it in my head. Yeah, so we're going to make a gooseberry and custard fall. So 380 grams, got a little bit of water in the bottom of the pan just to stew it, so that goes in there, and this should be enough to fill 6 little dishes up. So to that I'll add 1 tablespoon of brown sugar and just a little dash of date syrup. Just adds a little bit of flavour. So what I'll do now is I'll stew those down, and then we'll mix it with the custard at the end. So that's been cooking down for about 5-6 minutes now. So what I'll do is I'll give that a blend up. So that's been blended down now. What I'm going to do is add the custard to it now, stir that in. There's 400 millilitres of custard here, so just pour that into the mixture. That's it, give that a good stir in. Blend it all together. Just a matter of pouring it into the dishes now, and you can enjoy it while it's sort of warm, hot, or you can let it cool down and put it in the fridge and enjoy it later. So it's a lovely little pudding. Yeah, good way of using some of your gooseberries. So I'll pour that into dishes now without making too much of a mess, hopefully. One. That's it. So we've got 6 little puddings there, which we can enjoy, either hot or cold. Hopefully you've enjoyed the video. Give it a try. Lovely little pudding. If you ever go and enjoy it, let us know in the comments, and give us a like if you enjoyed the video, and consider subscribing and following our journey through the allotment year. We'll be making some more gooseberry recipes in the coming week or so, couple of weeks, because we've got 6 kilograms of gooseberries, so we need to find some ways of using them. Thanks very much for watching. Happy gardening, everybody.